Hey guys, my name is Moose Mastansir and I'm a freelancer on Upwork in the areas of writing and technical support. So I've been using XPunch for over a week now and I really like it. I like the way the site has been developed. It is modular and it has a intuitive, responsive, very fluid feel to it. I can also check on a daily, weekly and monthly level the punch ins I've done, so I can check my total time. And there's also a lovely indicator that says what my total time is for the day, week and month. And if I want to get information sent to my email, I can get that done in Word, Excel and PDF formats. Finally, I'm working on several projects, and so I can select which project I'm working on and punch in for that selected project. So overall, I like XPunch and I believe it has a great future.